Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. The S&P 500 edged higher on Tuesday as investors rotated into economically sensitive clinical stocks, optimistic that Washington will deliver a new round of stimulus to sustain US economic recovery from pandemic-induced recession. Asian shares were set to open lower on Wednesday after US President Donald Trump commented regarding the country's surge in novel coronavirus cases outweighed and slightly rally on Wall Street. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate flat opening for broader index in India with a loss of 4 points. Nifty futures were trading around 11,160 level on Singaporean exchange. On institutional front, FIIs bought shares worth rupees 2,265 crore, while DIIs sold shares worth rupees 727 crore on July 21. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. Stocks like Adani Enterprises, Bharat Heavy Electricals, Century Textiles, Escorts, Glenmark Pharma, Jindal Steel and Power, L&T Financial Holdings, Mahindra and Mahindra Financials, National Aluminium Company and Sun TV are under FNO ban for July 22 on NSE exchange. In Hindustan Unilever, the quarter 1 profit stands at rupees 1,881 crore versus 1,775 crore, while the revenue stands at 10,560 crore versus 10,114 crore year on year. In Godrej Industries, LIC raised stake in company to 3.87% in June from 3.7% in March quarter. In Wipro Galler Solutions partner with Exos Technology to further simplify the digital mortgage journey for customers. In Sun Pharma, LIC raised stake in company to 6.56% in June quarter from 6.37% in March quarter. And lastly, the results that we are expecting today are L&T, Bajaj Auto, Emblic Pharmaceuticals, Estic Life Science, Bajaj Holdings, ICICI Securities, Jindal Steel and Power, etc. among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you have a safe trading and stay safe during this COVID-19 period. Thank you.